Hey everyone, it's Kitty and welcome to my KittyART channel. Today I'm going to draw a colorful pony horse. Let's draw together.
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Now I'm using a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Amazing!
It's time to paint. Green.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step,
Pink.
and with the girls be handy. Amazing!
Yellow. Orange. Blue. Red. Green. Pink. Yellow. Green.
Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Blue.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Pink. Yellow.
I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty
Red.
pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind
Pink.
the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.